Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a bakery tour in New York City. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Sam and Mina, and the bakery staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How heavy is a famous Levain cookie in New York City? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina. Over here.
Sam, good morning. Wow, what a beautiful Sunday.
Yeah, perfect weather for walking. How was your morning?
Great. I had some yogurt and fruit at home. I was too excited to eat much.
Good, because after breakfast here, I'm taking you to eat the most famous thing in NYC.
The most famous thing? What is it? Is it bread? Cake?
I'm not telling you yet. It's a surprise for later.
Come on, Sam. Just a hint, please.
Nope. You'll find out when we get there. Trust me, it's going to be fun.
Okay, I'll stop asking. For now.
Good. So, let's start with breakfast.
Okay, then tell me about this place. This bakery looks so French.
It is. This is Balthazar Bakery. It opened in 1997. It's a famous French brasserie and bakery.
A brasserie? What's that?
It's a kind of French restaurant, casual but with really good food, and the bread here is amazing.
So it's been here for almost 30 years?
Yeah, almost 30 years. New Yorkers love this place. It's a classic.
A classic. Nice. Where are we exactly? The streets look so pretty.
We're in SoHo. Do you know what SoHo means?
No, I always wondered about that name.
It means south of Houston Street. So, SoHo, south of Houston.
Oh, that's so simple. I love it. So, Balthazar first, then the big secret?
Exactly. Let's go inside. I'm hungry.
Good morning. Welcome to Balthazar. What can I get for you?
Good morning. Everything looks so good. Can I have a moment?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay, I'd like 1 croissant and 1 pain au chocolat, please.
Great choice. Both are fresh from the oven this morning.
Fresh from the oven? Wow, so they're still warm?
Just a little warm. We bake them early in the morning, every day.
That sounds amazing. And I also want to buy some bread to take home. What do you recommend?
Our baguette is very popular. It's crusty outside and soft inside.
Crusty? What does that mean?
It means the outside is hard and makes a crunchy sound when you bite it.
Oh, I love that. A French baguette is supposed to be like that, right?
Exactly. A real French baguette has a crusty outside and a light, airy inside.
Airy, so the inside has lots of little holes?
Yes, lots of little holes. That's how you know it's a good baguette.
I'll take 1 baguette, please.
Sure. A whole loaf or half?
A whole loaf, please. A loaf means the whole thing, right?
Yes, a loaf is one whole piece of bread.
Got it. So I can say 1 loaf of bread.
Perfect. And would you like the baguette sliced?
Oh, what does sliced mean? Like 1 slice at a time?
Right. A slice is one thin piece. We cut the loaf into many slices.
Ah, so 1 loaf, many slices. I understand now.
Exactly. So, sliced or whole?
Whole, please.
Anything else? A sourdough loaf, maybe?
Sourdough. That's the one with a little sour taste, right?
Right. Some people love it. It goes well with cheese.
Maybe next time, just the baguette today.
Okay. 1 croissant, 1 pain au chocolat, and 1 baguette. That's $22.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy your breakfast.
Wow, look at that croissant. It's huge.
I know. In Japan, croissants are smaller.
Yeah, in NYC, bakeries make them bigger and a little sweeter. It's the American style.
Really? But croissants are French, right?
Yes, they come from France, but here they changed a little. Try it.
Okay, here I go.
So, how is it?
Oh my God, so buttery. It just melts in my mouth.
Right? Crispy outside, soft inside. That's a good croissant.
Crispy. I'll remember that word. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Yeah, that's a good way to describe it. You can use that for fried chicken, too.
Oh, nice. And what about this pain au chocolat?
That one has chocolate inside. Same buttery dough, but with a chocolate bar baked in.
Pain means bread in French, right?
Right. Pain au chocolat means bread with chocolate.
Simple and perfect. Okay, trying the chocolate one now.
Take a big bite.
The chocolate is still a little warm. This is heaven.
I thought you'd like it.
The dough is so light. It has lots of layers.
Yeah, that's the trick. Croissant dough has many thin layers of butter and flour.
Amazing. So this is why it feels so light and rich at the same time.
Exactly. Now you understand croissants like a real New Yorker.
Okay, so Sam, about the famous thing, what is it? Please tell me.
Nope, not yet.
Oh, come on. Is it another bakery?
Maybe, maybe not.
Is it sweet or salty?
I'm not telling you.
Is it far from here?
We need to take the subway, but trust me, it's worth the subway ride.
Worth the subway ride. Okay, now I'm really curious.
Good, that's the point. Finish your croissant, we have a train to catch.
Okay, last bite. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is loaf. The first word is loaf, meaning a whole piece of bread before it is cut. For example, I bought a loaf of bread at the bakery. The second word is slice, meaning one thin piece cut from a loaf. For example, I had 2 slices of bread for breakfast. The third word is crusty, meaning hard and crunchy on the outside. For example, a French baguette has a crusty outside. The fourth word is crispy, meaning light, dry, and easy to break. For example, the croissant was warm and crispy. The fifth word is gooey, meaning soft, sticky, and a little wet. For example, the warm cookie was gooey inside. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Sam and Mina at the famous bakery in New York City. Sam, what is this line?
This is the line for the famous thing.
There are so many people. Where are we?
We're on the Upper West Side, UWS for short, and this is Levain Bakery.
Upper West Side. Is that a fancy area?
Yeah, pretty fancy. Central Park is right there. Many families live here.
It feels calmer than SoHo.
Yeah, a different feeling. Anyway, this is Levain Bakery. You know this name?
Levain Bakery. I've seen this name on Instagram, I think.
Probably. It's very famous. People wait in line just for one thing.
Just for one thing? What is it?
You'll see very soon. Look at the line. Almost everyone is getting the same item.
Wait, everyone has a small brown bag. What's inside?
Wait and see, Mina. Wait and see.
You're so mean today.
It's more fun this way. Okay, some history. Levain opened in 1995. 2 women started it. They were marathon runners.
Marathon runners started a bakery? Why?
They needed energy for long runs, so they made something big. And now it's world famous.
That's such a nice story.
Yeah. Oh, the line is moving. Are you hungry?
Very hungry. Walking in NYC makes me so hungry.
Okay, you wait here outside. It's too crowded inside. I'll go in and order.
Got it. Don't take too long.
I won't. Save me a spot on that bench.
Okay, I'll save your spot. Go, go.
Hi there. Welcome to Levain. What can I get you today?
Hi, 2 cookies, please.
Sure thing. Which flavors?
Both chocolate chip walnut, please.
Good choice. That's our classic. Chocolate chip and walnut inside.
Yeah, it's my favorite. Are they fresh today?
They are very fresh. Just out of the oven. Still warm, actually.
Just out of the oven? Oh, that's perfect timing.
I know, right? The line never ends, so we bake all day.
I can see that. My friend has never had one before.
Oh, then she will love it. The first time is the best.
Yeah, I want her to try it warm.
Good choice then. When cookies are still warm, the chocolate inside is soft and melted.
That's the best part. These cookies are heavy, right?
Very heavy. Each one is about 170 grams, big and heavy, almost like a small meal.
Bigger than the palm of my hand.
Exactly. Some people can't finish one alone.
I can, easily.
A big fan, then. Anything else? We also have bread, muffins, and coffee.
Just 2 waters, please. The cookies are sweet, so we need water.
Good idea. That'll be $18.
Here you go.
Thank you. One more thing. Eat them within 10 minutes if you want them warm.
Good tip. We'll eat them right outside on the bench.
Perfect. Enjoy. And tell your friend welcome to the Levain Club.
I will. Thanks.
Okay, Mina, sit down. I have the famous thing right here.
Let me see. Open the bag.
Ready? Here it is.
Oh my God. It's a cookie, but it's huge.
Yes, a cookie. A Levain cookie.
It's so big. It's bigger than my hand. How heavy is this?
About 170 grams. Heavy, right?
Really heavy. It feels like a rock.
But a delicious rock. Break it open. Pull it apart with your hands.
With my hands? It's still warm.
Yeah, use your hands. That's the best way.
Okay, here I go. Oh, Sam, look.
I know. Cool, right?
The chocolate is melted. It's stretching like melted cheese, but chocolate.
Exactly. That's why you eat it warm, still warm inside from the oven.
And I can see walnuts too. Big pieces.
Yeah, chocolate chip and walnut. That's the classic flavor.
Okay, I'm taking a bite. Here I go.
Tell me everything.
Oh wow. It's crispy on the outside, but the inside is so soft, like warm dough.
Right? Crunchy outside, soft and gooey inside. That's the magic.
Gooey. What does gooey mean?
Gooey means soft and sticky, like melted chocolate or warm caramel.
Perfect word. Gooey. I'll use that.
Good, you're learning fast.
And the chocolate is so melted. It's like chocolate sauce.
Yup, now you understand the line.
I totally understand. I would wait 1 hour for this.
Some people wait 2 hours. On weekends, the line goes down the street.
2 hours for a cookie?
For this cookie, yes.
Now I believe it.
So, are you ready for the big reveal?
Yes, tell me.
This is NYC's most famous cookie. People come from all over the world just to try it.
From all over the world? Really?
Really? Tourists from Japan, Korea, Europe, everywhere. Now you know why people wait.
I get it now. It's worth the subway ride. It's worth the long line.
Exactly. So, how you feel?
Sam, I'll remember this forever. My first Levain cookie in NYC.
I'm glad. Finish it. We still have half the day.
Okay, one more bite. So good.
And next time, you can order it yourself. You know all the words now.
Chocolate chip, walnut, fresh, warm, out of the oven. Got it.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How heavy is a famous Levain cookie in New York City? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!